Good morning, students. Now today we have to make one cake and the candles for birthday celebration. Okay. Now see your page number 24. On this page number 24, these some measurements are given for different papers. So first measurement is given, that is 15 centimeter length, and this height of this paper is 8 centimeter. So we have to cut this paper by 15 centimeter and this length is 8 centimeter. And after cutting this paper, we have to give this curve shape here like this, and then we have to stick this paper. I am not having brown color, so I am using this faint pink color here. So if you are having brown color, you can take this paper, this brown paper here, and you stick first this paper. Okay. Now take your yellow paper, and with the help of this measurement you cut this yellow paper like this. So we require total 4 candle, 1 2 3 4. So in this part we will stick this yellow page like this. And for the flame of this candle we are using this red paper. First you take this red paper and then fold that paper, fold it twice, and then you take 2.5 centimeter by 6 centimeter. Or in simple way, if you keep this one flame like this, so you can cut it by scissor and you will get these 4 different these candle flames. For this bottom we have to use this green paper, and then we have to cut this paper. We have to first fold it twice, see, like this we have to fold, and then we have to draw with the help of the pencil like this and cut with the scissor. And when we open, it will look like this. So stick on this paper. This is the bottom of our cake, so stick it. Now for this middle portion design, we have to take this orange color paper and fold it twice like this, see, 1 2, and then we have to draw this curve from this side and this side, and then one small curve from this side and this side. Then we cut this part, this curve part, with the help of scissor, and when we open it, it will look like this. Then we have to stick it on this design like this. So stick it. So after sticking this middle part, our cake is ready. So we will start our celebration. So complete your page number 25, stick everything properly and complete your page number 25. Thank you.